Hello everyone, today I will be reviewing MelodySusie MR5 rechargeable nail drill. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. MelodySusie MR5 nail drill comes with the user manual, and this is the nail drill with classic color matching of pink and white, which is so gorgeous and unique. The elegant rose gold metal frame combined with an extraordinary gem cut body make the Pro nail drill have both premium performance and an outstanding look. This premium nail drill is embedded in a smart LED screen which is clearly display running information such as RPM, direction, and battery status in real time. It's allowing you to know everything about your Pro nail drill. And it is set up a portable belt clip design that allows you to attach it to your belt, pocket, or clothes and carry it with you anywhere you go. So I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out. And this one is the nail drill holder, so when you were working on your desk and you're done using it, you can just easily put it there. And this one is the side holder design that is convenient for you to store the handpiece after using the nail drill to prevent from falling. And it also comes with 8 different nail drill bits. And this one is the charger for your rechargeable nail drill. And this one is the handpiece with rose gold color and with the expandable wire. It is ideal choices for beauty salons or home use. MelodySusie nail drill 35,000 RPM comes with a metal brush hollow cup motor offering low heat and vibration, yet high efficiency work for any nail masterpieces. It is efficient for nail polishing and shaping to keep your nail creations ultra precise. And it is extremely easy operation, just connect the handpiece and turn the switch knob to start the nail drill. I will be using the medium-large barrel to remove my deep powder nails. I really like this because it is very lightweight, it is easy to use, easy to operate, and it's only weigh 1 pound. This ultralight nail drill tool allows you to easily ignore the numbness and fatigue caused by its weight. So make sure to check the link down below on my description box, and don't forget to use my code ROSE12 or ROSE12 to get 10% off when you shop at MelodySusie official store. So if you're thinking to buy nail tools like nail lamp, nail drills, nail dust collector, I would highly recommend MelodySusie products because I have been using their products for years now and it's still good, it's still working good, and I'm still using it until this time. And I can tell you that it is really a high quality products and it's worth the money. So make sure to check the link below so you can check it out. And that's it everyone. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up because it helps me keep going. subscribe, and thank you for watching.